हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड टू इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी BHU फॉर द PG एडमिशंस, MTech, MPharm and the PhD programs for the session of 21-22, okay, for the odd semester. So आप अगर इस वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, if you simply put it on the Google that IIT BHU PG admissions, you will get this interface. Okay, so after going this interface, you will have all the details like PG admission portal for MTech, MPharm, PG admissions open from 26th March 21. okay, so ये अभी open हुआ है और last date है 13th April 21. so here everything information is given. आप अगर इस चैनल पे नए हो और अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications related to PhD, MS, MTech admissions and PSU recruitments and various assistant professors recruitments. So keep watching this channel and watch this video till the end. So we are on this website. So we will have the detailed information on this PG admission 21-22 odd semester. If you click here, you will get the interface for the PG admission. Okay, so this is the PG admission portal for the academic year 21-22. okay, so for MTech, MPharm and PhD program, this application is now started. okay, last date is 13th April. So online portal is available for the submission of application from 26 March to the 13th April. okay, so this is the date and the time. okay, so before that submission of application form, you have to just register for the portal, log in for the application, select program, then personal information, upload photograph, signature, fill the COAP registration number. okay, so अभी तक आपने COAP that is common offer acceptance portal का registration नहीं किया है, so please do register. मैंने गाइडेंस दिया है COAP के बारे में, तो ये वीडियो का भी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. okay, next thing is pay online application fee, thereafter registration, category, program, department. so thereafter the academic information, work experience and is any reference for your applications, then you can put up reference and the publications, and in this way you can go for the online application form. Now let's see for this. so here in the portal they have given all detailed information, you can see here. okay, thereafter we can go for the admission information brochure. okay, so if you put this, you will have this information brochure. so for Indian Institute of Technology BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University. okay, so this is also most popular Indian Institute of Technology. okay, so आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है MTech प्रोग्राम्स के लिए. सो फुल टाइम रेगुलर रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट होगा जो कि 12,400 पर मंथ होगा. ओके, उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो फुल टाइम एक्सटर्नल रजिस्ट्रेशन कैटेगरी. सो यहाँ एक्सटर्नल रजिस्ट्रेशन कैटेगरी में R&D ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होंगी. उसके बाद रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर क्वालिफाइंग गेट एंड GPAT इज वेव्ड ऑफ फॉर सच कैंडिडेट्स. ओके, जो भी एक्सटर्नल रजिस्ट्रेशन कैटेगरी से फॉर्म फिल करेंगे, means those students who are from R&D organization, they will not require GATE and any GPAT score. After that, full-time sponsored category registration, part-time category registration, see everything is given. okay, here see PhD program, they have even given the detailed notifications. so what are the minimum qualifications in engineering? so you can see here master's degree in engineering and with concerned discipline. okay, 60% mark is required. Applicant with bachelor degree, minimum 7.5 CPI or 75% mark is required, or here 70% mark is required on the bachelor's degree, those who are institution funded by central government. okay, those who are from central government funded universities or institutions, they will require 70%. other than that 75% mark is required. Applicant with master degree science in allied discipline, okay, so they will require 65% for the master's level and 60% required for the bachelor's level. so PhD in pharmacy and PhD in the sciences is also given. So if you want, you can go through this. Then PhD in Humanistic Studies, interdisciplinary programs, PhD in System Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Biochemical, everything is given. So here financial assistance is given. Okay, so PhD program of Department of Humanistic Studies under full-time regular category have GATE, GPAT, UGC, CSR, NET. For that candidate, 7 CPI is required, 70% is required, and the assistantship is given 31,000 per month for the full-time students admitted for the PhD program. Okay, so this is the given thing. After that, there is a lot of information is given. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. I will try to give all possible answers. Okay, after that, here selection criteria is given. So for selection criteria for MTech MPharm, you have required GATE and GPAT score. Okay, and after qualifying this, you will have written test if any. Like आपका score अगर GATE का और GPAT का score है, so you will be exempted from the written test. Okay, and for the admission to the PhD program, here you can see admissions will be based on the written test and online interview or online counseling of the candidate shortlisted by the department and school concerned. Okay, this is the all procedure regarding all IITs. Okay, here the following categories of applicants shall be exempted: external registration category, sponsored registration category, part-time registration category, candidate having national level scholarship. Okay, so these candidates are exempted for the written test. Okay, so they will have to go directly for interview. So this all criteria is given. Okay, so at the last I am showing important things here. So at the last, see list of R&D organizations recognized by the institute for external registration. Okay, so all R&D laboratories, CSIR, DAE, DOS, DRDO, here Bharat Heavy Electricals, all things 3, 4, 5, these all are the R&D organizations. Those who are belonging from these organizations, they will not require any GATE or GPAT score. They will have to directly apply for the interview and they will get admission in IIT BHU for MTech and PhD both programs. Okay, so in this way we can go here. Now here seat availability is also given for MTech and MPharm program. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे for general SC, ST, OBC and EWS category, and the total vacancy is given for every stream here. Okay, so this is for the MTech and these are the eligibility for the MTech. Okay, thereafter total institute assistantship is available for the odd semester, that is the teaching assistantship is available, that vacancies for the stipend. So these are the disciplines and number of assistantship is available. Okay, so here the note is given: the number of available institute assistantship should not be considered as available seat. Applicants who are either sponsored category or who are already awarded fellowship by external agencies can submit their application for the admission in department or school even if there are no institute assistantship available. So in this way you can go for the IIT BHU admission for MTech, MPharm and the PhD program. So अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications related to this admissions procedures, PSU recruitments and various professors, faculties recruitment in India. So please subscribe and thank you for watching my video.